So, pag dito kayo sa Biglagon, don't miss out this area, this place, which is located dito sa right side ng lagoon. Sure, no problem. You can go.
Okay?
Sure. Mag-backward ka muna dito. Unahin mo yung mga guests.
Okay.
Backward. Para mauna sila.
Hindi kasi ako mangalma pa.
It's okay.
Hindi na
Just watch your head, okay?
Kayo po. May guest pa ba tayo nagkasunod sa atin? Yung sa atin? Okay, dito tayo. Ayun, don't miss out. Eto, dito sa loob ng Big Lagoon. Kasi meron siyang exciting part. Merong exciting part dun sa dulo. So, madalas dito tayo, pesto natin yan. Kasi inaantay natin yung mga guests para mag-photograph. So, dito pa nagpapadel ka, kalmado ka lang. Dahan-dahan lang kasi kusa namang nagmo-move yung kayak. Ito, makikita niyo guys. Ayan yung mga oyster fossils. At, ayun, may bukang liwayway. Oh! Shout out kay Kuya Ivan and Zarel. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to your vlog. Oh, di ba ang ganda? Aray ko. Oh, why did you go down? You feel so hot? Make sure that there's no sea urchin. Sea urchin is one of the poisonous marine life that we have under the water. So if you stand with it, you're gonna call your mama. Yeah. Do you have flip-flops? Yeah, this area is, it's not very clear water, so don't go down here. Most of the time, we see some Catulian here, stingray. Yeah. Okay, slow down guys, so that way to others. Okay, you go. You can go.
Go for it.
Yeah, it's your turn. We wait.